What is up, guys? Welcome to the coolest Roblox channel, Blox Direct. Today we'll be talking about how to add more income to your Roblox Adopt Me account. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Slap that like and subscribe button. Let's hop right in. Number 5. Shower Simulator. Next is the game we all know as the Shower Simulator. I am pretty sure that the name of the game might have raised a lot of questions in your mind, and I am here to answer all that. You see, the Shower Simulator is basically a game where you can attend a public bathhouse. You can go to spas, locker rooms, showers, and so much more. There is no specific purpose behind the game. Everyone plays it just because they wish to interact in an environment that they cannot go to in real life. Because obviously, why would your avatar Roblox need to go to a public bathhouse? The fact that the game is all about bathing makes it not suitable for children of younger ages, and thus this game must be kept away from them. Number 4. Scented Con. A piece of advice for everyone out there who still does not know, mostly the games with the word con are meant to be adult-only games. And I am not talking about having some adult content, rather these are games that are extremely explicit. This game that goes by the name of Scented Con is basically built as a dancing party, but the game setup is not only limited to that. The game has a lot of multiple R-rated things going on in it. In fact, several of the dance moves of the players are even not suitable for children to watch. Number 3. Bloxburg. Coming up next is Bloxburg. Being one of the most famous games in Roblox, I am sure all Roblox fans must have heard of this game by now. This game requires you to pay a small amount of money when you initially start playing, so you need to keep that in mind whenever you decide to start this game. The problem with this game is, the game is built upon the premise that all of the players inside the game have to build their own houses and lives, and with that interact with each other just like they do in real life. There isn't any major problem in the game itself, but the problem lies with the significant amount of players playing it. Many players in the game try to find people to date online, or they try to sniff personal information, or they simply act in a way not suitable for a child to bear. Number 2. Dance Club. Building upon the fact that dance clubs are usually meant for adults, this particular game should have been kept separately for adults only. The game has everything that a normal dance club has, ranging from private rooms to dance floors. However, this game should definitely stay away from the reach of children. Number 1. Shadowrun. Coming up at number 1 is Shadowrun. Shadowrun is an obby game created by Tabula Rasa Studios. It is well known for its unique and complex mechanics and difficult stages. It was featured in the Pizza Party event, where users could receive the Piñata hat using the Community Pizza Launcher. The game was first created under the name Shadowrun 2, but was later completely rescripted and rebranded to Shadowrun. The game is notable for being one of the first games to support localization, tools, and many languages. The game's UI was redesigned for the Pizza Party event. Players criticized the game for being difficult and hard to complete, especially when in the 150 to 199 stage areas, as the stage areas were designed to be quite hard. Upon completing the level, players can play in a bonus level that has received more criticism for being one of the game's hardest levels. However, players who complete this level will be given a perk in the upcoming sequel, Shadowrun 2. This brings me to the end of our video. That's all from me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you guys could hit the like on this video and turn on notification, so when I upload next, you guys get notified would mean a lot. Also, if you guys could hit the big red button and subscribe to my channel, it would be great. That's all from me today. See you guys in the next video, and peace.